Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn about the first concept of chapter 1, that is the fishtail, from class 5 mathematics textbook. So let's start the video. This is a thematic chapter. In this chapter children will learn mathematical concepts such as shapes, estimation, sense of large numbers, simple operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction, speed, loans, and then use of all these concepts in our daily life, and the concept of fish from EVS. Now, in this video, we will learn about the concept of shapes only, and the rest of the topics will be covered one by one. Now, the first thing that comes in our mind is, what is a shape? Now see, in our daily life, all the things, objects that we see, they all have a specific form. So a shape can be defined as the form of any object. The form of an object. Let us understand this from some examples. Just have a look at these pictures. The first picture is of a tire. Its form is like a circle. So we can call that the tire is circular in shape. The second picture is of a crosswalk signboard. Its form is like a triangle. So we can call that the signboard is triangular in shape. The third picture is of a carpet. Now its form is like a rectangle. So we can call that the carpet is rectangular in shape. The fourth picture is of a clock. Its form is like a square. So we can call that the clock's shape is square. Now here the first picture is of an ice cream. Its form is like a cone. So we can call that the ice cream is conical in shape. The second picture is of a box. Its shape is like a cylinder. So we can call that the box is cylindrical in shape. The third picture is of a dice. Do you remember dice? We use it to play games like snake and ladder, ludo. Okay. Its form is like a cube. And the fourth picture is of a brick. Its form is like a cuboid. Now let's see what you have learned from this topic. Here is a task for you. You have to draw any 10 shapes of the things or objects from your surrounding and write the type of shape that they have in your notebook. Now the shape is of two types. The first one is closed shape, the second is open shape. So let's learn about them in detail. The first one is closed shape. Just have a look at all these shapes. For example, if I have to draw this triangle, then how can I draw this. I start from this point A, and after completing this figure and at the same point A. Similarly in this shape too, if I start from here and after completing this figure I came at the same point. Okay, so in both the cases the starting and ending point both are same. Okay, so each of these figures they end at the same starting point. So each of these figures shown here, they are all closed figures because they all have the same starting and ending point. Now the second type is open shape. Open shapes are those shapes which do not start and end at the same point. For example, just have a look at all these shapes. Their starting and ending points, they both are different. Okay, so all these shapes they are open shapes. Now let's see what you have learned in this video. Try to solve these exercises. This is exercise first, this is exercise second, this is third exercise, this one is fourth exercise. You can pause the video or take a screenshot. Try to solve these exercises in your notebook. Okay, that's all in today's video. Thanks for watching.